Hi everyone, it's Simon Killing here, weatherweb.net. It's Thursday, the 4th of April. Thanks again for watching. Remember, we're kept free of charge by the adverts you see around the screen here. It's by you coming back and using the site. That's what keeps us free of charge. Okay, so some changes on the way over the next few days. This is the chart for midday today. You see we've still got this easterly flow across the country. We've got a trough there down towards the southeast. It's that's producing some snow flurries across the south and the east of England during the course of today. But still some good spells of sunshine out towards the west, although of course it still feels cold and there's still that brisk east to northeasterly wind blowing. For tomorrow though, look, we still stay with this northeasterly breeze. Got low pressure down over central parts of France. Still one or two snow flurries for the southeast, and perhaps one or two snow flurries running down those eastern coasts as well. But for the west, it looks like that's where we'll see best of the sunshine again, but still remaining cold. For Saturday, the flow turns more into the north or the northeast. The winds are going to be dying down as well. And I think what we're gradually going to be finding is this area of low pressure out towards the west started to take control and starting to pump up some milder south to southwesterly winds. Now by Sunday, the low is to the southwest of Ireland. High pressure is transferred towards the east, and we're picking up this milder south to southeasterly flow. That's going to be picking up temperatures as we go through the course of the latter part of the weekend, but you'll notice here, look, how much rain there is to the west. Then on to Monday, and low pressure is back down across France. Look, our milder southerly to southeasterly flow has kind of disappeared away, and briefly we find the flow getting back into a colder easterly. So there's some battle taking place to get this milder air in. But by Tuesday, look, milder air is again battled in from the southwest. We find this series of fronts moving its way northwards and eastwards, taking rain with it. At the moment, I think most of the rain is probably going to be western Scotland, Ireland, perhaps the far west of Wales and southwestern parts of England. I think little getting through towards the east and the south, but this milder southwesterly flow signalling, hopefully, the change of conditions ahead. Now, if you've been watching over the last few days, you'll know that I've been picking this out for you. This is the chart of temperature and also rainfall for the London area from the GFS Ensemble. Here's the 9th, look, that's what we've just seen is this period of rain moving in. The green bars across the bottom here are indicating the rain coming in. You'll notice how that takes place during the course of this weekend, but just look at that increase in temperature here that takes place during the weekend, during the part next week, but just look at the increase in temperature that takes place with it. Then what we're going to find is the temperatures continuing to try and increase slightly over the coming days. Still got rainfall showing in there, so this is still indicating a south to southwesterly flow, but not much rainfall around, and so this idea of rising temperatures looks to be reasonable at the moment. However, it is worth just noting that the Canadian model actually doesn't want to bring the milder air in. It keeps us in cold weather, particularly across the northern parts of the country. But I still think that this date of the 9th, perhaps towards the 10th, is the super critical time when we're going to see conditions finally change. And so I'll leave you with that for now. Thanks again for watching weatherweb.net. Keep the sun shining and bye for now.